Fun time with Professor Yalc!
Science is the present-day version of what used to be called natural philosophy, which was the study of unanswered questions about nature. We learned how to analyze it mathematically with unbiased numbers, which allows for people to verify or disprove certain findings. Galileo and Mr. Bacon are generally credited for the scientific method too. A way to go about discovering things. But it's not just the only way to go about discovering things. For example, like trial and error, experiments with no guessing, or by pure accident with lots and lots of explosives. Though through these methods, we can find scientific laws and principles. Today, we're gonna learn about physics. And what I have here with me today, I have Dak, a normal average person off the street. He's also a little not so bright in the head, but it's okay. Oh. It's okay. We'll just give him some sugar cookies and he'll be fine. Hey! And now, we have our physics student, Nev. Nev is really excited for today. Hi, everybody! Nev is currently taking physics. Yeah! Physics! And he is excited to learn more and more about physics and stuff today. Physics!
I can feel the gravity pulling down on me while Professor Yalc is holding up on me. Physics! Fun time with Professor Yalc. Physics!
Okay, now we're gonna go over momentum. And now for an example. The projectiles are later.
Oh, sorry.
Ah!
Now, an example with momentum. Elastic collision. Elastic collision, when two different weighing objects hit one twice and weighing half as much as the other one, but moving twice as fast as the one hitting it, they bounce back at the same speed. Now for inelastic momentum collision. When they collide, they become malformed, and the more force, the one with the higher momentum, keeps on going while the other one gets dragged along with it. Momentum! Time with Professor Yalc. Physics!
And this is the deck. Now we're gonna go over rotational stuff. You mean like this? Exactly. As he runs around the pole like an idiot, the centrifugal force keeps him in that circular motion. If you were to let go of the pole, like so, his velocity tangential to the circle would keep him going in a straight path directly towards the bed. And then he would proceed to the laws of Newton's third law. He would bounce off the bed onto the ground. And yeah. It's okay.
One time with Professor Yalc.
Projectiles are objects that go through air and space and are only affected by gravity and air resistance sometimes.
Wait, so I've heard of vectors. Does that have anything to do with this?
Yes, vectors are the components in which the projectile goes up and comes down, and the horizontal vector which causes the projectile to go this way. So with a combination of the two vectors, it goes like this.
So then, if you shot something all the way out into, like, the orbit of space, and it goes all the way around, is that a constantly falling object?
Yes, there's also a term known for that, and that's called a satellite.
Ow.
And now for some examples with projectiles.
Wait a minute, so you mean it'd be like shooting a gun?
Don't do this at home!
Exactly! Do you have a concealed carry for that?
No?
Remember, safety first! Safety first!
Now, kids, we're going to be firing at Professor Yalc to see how projectiles work. Yes. Oh. Wait, new clip.
You are surprisingly accurate. Oh my.
Longer barrel, more distance, more accuracy. Turn off the bait and safety first.
Okay. Be back in a little bit, kids.
Time with Dr. Yalc. Physics!
Now we're gonna go over Newton's first law. An object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. And here comes our example. And also, objects at rest tend to stay at rest. I think we're gonna need some more cookies. And now for Newton's second law, and that's acceleration equals force over mass, or force equals mass times acceleration. When you have a small mass and a small amount of acceleration, you get a small force. However, when you have the same mass and a larger acceleration, you get a bigger force. Rally time! And that was Newton's second law. And now for Newton's third law. And with that, I'm gonna ask for the assistance of Nev, the physics student. Physics! And Newton's third law is that with every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. And to show you, I'm gonna have Nev punch me and watch. Now, the action force is Nev punching my arm, where the reaction force is my arm punching his fist. And now for a lesson on the center of gravity.
What? Why cookies?
Well, because of his rage, we'll superimpose this.
Cookies! I'm all out! There's an empty box!
What are you doing with that? Where the heck did you get that? And here comes our example.
You didn't say unless acted by outside force. Say it now, say it now, say it now.
Unless acted upon by an outside force.
Now go part on the second part. Second part one.
Huh?
Second part on one. Objects and at rest and to stay in rest. You're tar. My bag.
When you have a small mass times a small acceleration, you get a small force.
I got an idea. Hold on.
Huh.
No. How about you swing him around?